it's a 27. He's
I know that, but I'm saying, you see how you should get even burn. I'm rich. You can see that's black.
Hey, mira.
We always run rich.
Right now, I'd leave it alone because.
But yours,
2 mile an hour.
the one side was white, and the other side had a little bit of darkness to it.
Yeah.
Which means you got fuel is not coming even.
Even, yeah.
So something is not quite in your porting exactly.
Yeah, when I hit home, yeah, I'm open it
You have
and
to
I take a
at that
look.
and see why
Yeah.
you're- That's,
What is this here?
oh, it's the biggest one. I'm gonna try it. Night, it's 18.
The rudder to get that nose up out of the water.
Ready? Go. Let's get you back out there.
Okay, let me.
It's tight.
It's tight?
Yeah. Dale. I'm fixing to look at it in a minute. You got the wrench over here. You got the screwdriver. What the hell did you do with that screwdriver? You had your hand over there.
It's right over here.
Okay. Go. All right.
Struggling as bad. You like it before.
Go deep down there. Come right up the floor. Turn. Swing it. Right there. If you want. Feel the pain. God, it's here. Turn. Swing it. Does it feel any better? Slower? Does it feel slower?
His motor. Try the
Oh.
iridium. Let him try the iridium now. See if we get that cork back in that thing.
This is a Gizmo don't like it, right?